Hello students, once again I am with you with the second part of Goodbye to the Moon, pages 81 and 82. Here, words to be understood in part 2. Moon Safari, an expedition or adventure to the moon. Lobby, porch or entrance hall or anteroom. Gravity, force of attraction. In the universe, every object attracts or pulls the other objects towards it. This force of attraction is called gravity. The sun pulls the planets towards the sun. Similarly, the planets pull the sun towards them and the other planets and satellites too. This force or the act of pulling is called gravity. Stretch, continuous, expand. Majestic, grand, or extremely beautiful. Grasp, fully understood or fully assimilated. Belongings, possessions, things that one possesses are the belongings of that person. Struggle, make a great effort. Precious, of great value or highly valued. All these words play a vital role to understand the meaning of the second part. Some of these words are known to you and some are unknown. And important information is given in part 2. Earth's gravity and weight difference. Earth's gravity, like any other object of the universe, the earth also pulls everything towards her. This is Earth's gravity. Weight difference. Weight of an object in the moon differs from that of the earth because of the difference of gravitational force of the two. Assignment 1 and then assignment 2 and then assignment 3, assignment 4, and you have to complete these 3 statements with information taken from the text. Thank you. And that's